Um, I was gonna think of some. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Conway Twitty.
And there he is, ladies and gentlemen. He is Mr. Conway Twitty. Hello, everyone. My name is Brad, and I'm here with Swag.
Yes, hello there.
We are developing a little Minecraft server here called Age of Fortune, and it's.
I'm gonna do a little bit of somatic work here. You walk, and then let's see if I can.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me put your screen up if we're gonna do that then.
How would I go slow? How do I move slow?
You'd have to be in. Oh wow, this is gonna be difficult because I'm gonna have to like have your screen up. There we go. Okay, we'll make it work. Okay, beautiful. Let me catch up to you real quick.
You're being.
Hello,
shot
everyone.
by,
My name is Brad. Oh God, I just stopped suddenly.
I got hit by a sign.
Hello, everybody. My name is Brad, and we're going to be doing a little development stream for you today in the game Minecraft, creating our own server, which is eventually going to lead to a game called Age of Fortune and all of its different variants. We are here today to simply work on some coding for server plugins and all that. I'm just trying to walk around this little town here that we created just to kind of make it seem like you know, this is a camera and I'm trying to talk to the camera. The camera keeps trying to run away from me. It's not the best, but you know what? It's something. It's more than most people can afford. You know, that's the way I look at it. All right.
There you go. Yeah, I know, right? This is the best camera.
There you go. This is definitely working. Yeah.
All right. Let's. I quit my camera work.
All right. You're quitting your camera work?
I quit.
Oh,
I quit.
I
quit.
God. All right. Well, that's a great way to start it off, I think.
I think that was a great way. Yeah.
So, Swag, why don't you tell the world what it is that we are going to be working on here today?
Tonight, surprisingly, we might get through the majority of Lucky Roll.
Bam.
Might be possible.
Bam. And what is Lucky Roll?
Plugin. Lucky Roll is our restriction plugin. We currently in our which is actually currently in development server, but when we had our server up and running for beta, we actually had another plugin running that was causing items to restrict, and it worked fairly well, but there were certain items that we just didn't like how it worked. So instead of working with it and just kind of bear with it, we decided to make our own. Now, surprisingly, this actually isn't that hard. It's fairly easy concept. It's when you start adding a bunch of items. Now, what my job tonight is going to be is taking this.
Oh, let me throw that
up. Which one am I looking at here? Lucky Roll. Okay. I'm going to try and add a little bit of efficiency to the Lucky Roll code, which will effectively make it a lot better for use. Right now, it's very basic. It's very basic. It's only testing a couple things, but I'm hoping by the end, it should be able to check multiple items across different restriction type. I'm hoping I'll be able to get that done. It might not work exactly, but I'm gonna try. I have an idea which might work, or it might be something that it just is not possible. So I want you guys to sit back, relax, and if we get all that done tonight, we're gonna be working on my next plugin in this section of plugins, which we starting Royal Cross, which would be a very interesting plugin for, I think, majority of the people. That plugin itself is a title plugin. Now, if you're not sure what a title is, our server has a feudal system, and depending on your level of feudal system, you get certain social statuses. you become in the social ranking a little bit higher tier. Now, some of this is to help progress players who have been playing for a while, and some of it is to add a certain level of prestige. But either way, it's gonna be a fun night. I'm excited for how it's going, and I feel like I'm gonna get a lot done. Hopefully.
Awesome. All right. Well, then let's just dive right into it then.
All right. So the first things first. My plan for Lucky Roll tonight, to get a little more deep into my idea, is that I want to create an what they normally call in Java in programming, or mostly in object-oriented programming, is an object. I want to create an something that could hold data. It's pretty much a data structure that can hold specific pieces of data, so that when you load it later on, pretty much it should be fairly easy, and also fairly quick. Not entirely sure if this is going to work through Minecraft. I know I've done it in parts of my other, like, skill journal. I have used objects in that, which it does work, but this implementation might be a little bit different, because what I needed to do is I need it to be saved into a folder. So we'll see. I don't know if it's going to work. I would have to look up. We might be able to save objects inside the config, which would be very nice. Because that would mean all we would have to do is add these objects into a config, call them in, and every time, let's say, a permission is called, it checks through each object, grabs the item restrict item, or it grabs the restriction type that they have to check for, and if it's related, then it will be put into a list and called through, which should make it a little bit more efficient for the server to run. Not a terrible, not by a lot, but should be a fairly good increase, and also make it a little bit more formatted, so might be a little bit easier for people to understand, which is good. That's always good. It's always good to have that. So first off, I have a few ideas that I want to show off.
Should I put you up?
Yes, I think so.
Alrighty.
I'm trying to think how I want to do this. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class. I'm going to call this class Roll. Roll apparently already exists, which it does. So actually what we're going to do, come up here and pull up Roll, because it actually already exists, because I'm smart. So as I was saying, pretty much this whole thing itself is an object. An object is pretty much a class of its own that can be called in multiple instances with different information in it, which is good, so that later on you can still call the certain objects back and get the information. So that's always good. Some of me wonders if I can even save. I need to do a little bit of work. I have not done much. How? Oh, come on. How? Let's see if that's option. Well, this is interesting.
Save and load inventory
this
from config file.
This might be good.
A lot of the work might already be done for you. That could be good.
Yes, that would be good. Hmm. This is interesting. I'll have to look at this later on. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I will save that. So actually, let me save.
Code snippet. Saving loading objects to from configuration.
Yes, I do need to do a little bit of information or a little bit of research on this because I think I'm going to need it for the spoilage plugin.
A spoilage plugin. Getting ahead of the game. I have a viewer bot in my chat that I just cannot get rid of. It's always
Really?
Yeah, it's always there. It's not actually a person, it's just a bot, and I want to get rid of it.
Is it Fagwint?
Yeah.
Huh. That's weird.
Yeah. I really want to get rid of it. But I don't know how.
I don't know how.
But I do not know. I do not know how to do this.
Hmm.
So I do have class tomorrow, sadly.
Well, that's a bummer.
It is a bummer. The roads have finally gotten to be okay. But it's only 2 classes, and my first class isn't until 1 o'clock.
That's very true.
You know, it's not all bad. I also just ordered a color corrector for monitors, so it'll accurately display colors on my monitor and TV.
Interesting.
Yeah, so everything will look sharp. I also got a GT 1030 for my home theater PC, so I can get HDR content on my TV.
Oh wow.
Yeah. That thing was only $74. Like, that's pretty good for a card that can handle 4K, at least for viewing, and run 1080p at about console level. Which means that the HD PC might actually be good at gaming. So what is all this then?
What I'm looking at right now?
Yeah.
This is the Spigot API. This is pretty much every object or method or variable that's that you can grab for Minecraft.
Okay.
That has been set up using the Spigot API.
Right.
So pretty much what I'm looking for right now is the configuration section, so that I can add a few pieces. Ooh, oh, player to plug in communicate. Huh. There we go. Maybe this is it. Ah, here we go.
I might do a thing here. I might set up a thing to make what we have here a little more pleasing to the eye, as they say. Maybe like a border of some kind or something. Let me see here. Could you quickly opt me?
Yes.
Donka.
You cannot do that
Why not?
because I said nay nay.
But I want to do it.
But I say nay nay.
You are a banana.
A ferret that is saying yay. I do not think.
You do not think what? What is it you do not think? Well,
I'm trying to, I wanted to add pretty much. Well, I feel like I should be able to.
you wanted to add...
See, I feel like I can do this.
What?
I'm thinking out loud.
Oh. He's like, yeah, no, we can do that. Well, I don't know about that. Well, have you considered this? Well, it's not really... Okay, well, how about this?
Well, that's what I do.
I
When
know.
I'm alone, I do that too.
I think we all talk to ourselves. I have the best
Trying to
way
think.
to see what you're doing.
Hmm.
The music from the game Journey is just like amazing.
Hmm.
You know what? I think what I might do right now is a little bit of continuation of the website. Just to fine tune it, you know? So this is the website we have now. We have the About section. We have the character creation section. We have the rules section. What else did I need to add to it? I needed to get some things for existing players. Oh, I needed to add a bit of, somebody dropped a cup. I need to add a bit of lore. A little bit of speaking of, what is it? I think it's under history and stories. There we go, character creation context. Alright.
Stop it, you son of a gun.
Whoa.
Harsh words, right?
Those.
Harsh words.
Them be fighting words.
I will be right back.
Okay.
All right, let's. I gotta think a bit.
A bit.
A bit.
There we go. I think that looks good. Okay. Alright, that looks good to me. I think I was going to create another tab called Tools.
I am.
You are.
I'm not sure how I want to do this.
Then that's it then. The fellowship is fated.
The fellowship is broken.
It's broken. It's broken. The gate. It's us.
Hmm.
There's nothing for it. Come on. We ought to be getting home. Sus.
Oh, it started raining!
What?
It started raining!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Weird, wherever you stand, it doesn't rain where it is.
I know. I mean, that's what happened to old Jilly Bean back in 1487.
Back in Nam.
Back in, I remember good old 1487.
How complicated are we gonna try and make Lucky Roll, Brad?
The famousest of hobbits. I don't know. Why?
I guess I'm just
I mean,
wondering.
how complicated do you want to make it?
I mean, how much are we going to be implementing this into the server?
I'm not sure. This is all you.
I mean, I figured we were going to keep some of the other plugin and just add on to what it didn't work with.
Right. Yeah, I don't think we planned on going anything past that, unless you had another idea.
Okay. No, and
Logan.
like I
Logan is
kind of had an
watching.
idea, but every time I think about it, and the more I think, it just seems like the more complicated and more like more work that equals out to like zero outcome.
Yeah.
It seems to be. Like my whole plan just seems like it's gonna add a bunch of work and it's not gonna do much.
Well then, if you don't think it's needed, then let's just not do it.
Okay.
If you think that we'll be fine the way we are, then good enough.
I mean, we're pretty much just want it to restrict all the tools, correct?
Yeah.
Well, I think that fairly simple. I can do that
All right.
with for it not being too crazy.
Right. How's it going, Logan? Popping by to see what's up. There we go. That works. For now. Just chillaxing like a villain. You know, that doesn't rhyme. But good attempt. Also, take a look at this camera angle. Ready? Ba-bam. Oh. 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 Whoa. So quick. Happens in an instant. And then I'm gone. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. What do I need to do here? I need to look up some stuff. I need to look up some medieval Minecraft skins. The ending of each word is an in. My webcam comes tomorrow. The ending of each word is an in. My webcam. What does that even mean? Oh, chillaxing like a villain. Yeah, but it still doesn't rhyme. but good. You can start streaming with a face. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Swag?
Yes, I do.
Yes, he does. He knows what I mean. I think that's look better. Some people can choose from there, they can choose from there, they can choose from here. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Just 3 options. Give people a run for their money. Chillaxin like a villain. Yeah, but it's too long, so it doesn't rhyme. I want to wear the dress. Alright, this one is attached. But to which one? I don't remember. That one. Yeah, I'm going to try out Fortnite. Oh yeah, I have a bunch of friends who've been playing that game. They said that it's pretty fun. But I've never tried it. Tomato, potato. Yes. All right. Alright. I think the website is complete.
Ooh.
So it should just about do everything we want. Go to About. Tells you everything about the server. Go to Character Creation. You got new players. So your thoughts. Sees what you say. Character Creation Guide. How to make a character. Tools. You can click on these. It'll take you to the different links. You can sort through some skins. You can get to the texture pack. Get the Optifine. Cool. Existing players. Literally just chooses a character application. But that works. Rules. Takes you to rules. And then apply now. Will let you apply. There you go. I think the website is officially done. Awesome. Well then. How are things on your end?
Currently, I am destroying.
You're destroying It's very impressive. Alright, you're live. Oh wow, it is raining. Bam. It's daytime. Make it day. Heading into the mountain. Oh, I just broke Minecraft. Great. Fantastic. Exactly what I wanted to do. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh. Okay, cool. So, it caught up to itself. The fact that this is holding up the bridge is ridiculous. And if we were to break any of these struts, the bridge would fall. It's so cool. Man, I wish the gravity plugin didn't just destroy people.
I know.
Because it would have been so good. What if we just optimize it?
Yeah, there's no way, dude.
But I wanna.
I know.
How do normal games do physics?
Well, first of all, they create their own physics. Physics is one of the first things a game normally makes, and then they build from the ground up. You normally don't make a game and then add physics. Normally, that just ruins everything.
Well, in our game, all the physics will be real. None of this floating stuff. Why did he do this? What is this? What is this? There's a book in there. It's just a normal book. Normal book. It's just a bunch of normal books. What's with these chests and normal books? What was David doing? What's in here? Nothing. 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 So what is it then? Oh, is it like a like what? Warehouse district? Yeah. What is this? Just meant to have nothing in it? I guess it wasn't done. Done. God. This is when Halo renamed like everything. He just took some books that we had and rewrote the first page, but the second page is like still done. Is from grading age, gender. Cool. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's a creeper. That's it. Just walked right up to it. Just walked up to it. What did he do with the bank? Is everything in the bank still there? Did he take it? Oh, it's open. Yeah, it's been robbed. Man, if this server takes off, people will like come in, see these towns and stuff that are ghost towns essentially because there's not enough people to live in them. And I just wonder what they'll do. Will they like go in and try to make it their own, or
probably
will like an actual form of like, I don't know, government actually be established? It'd be really cool to see what happens, because when it comes back, I know David will be all over it, and so there'll be one constant power at least. So that'll be interesting to see. What will happen? Castle has so many pluses on it. Halo couldn't even think to begin to remove all of them. They're literally everywhere. All right, how we doing?
I am just trying to find a couple things.
What are you trying to find?
Right now, I'm trying to find the how to check the item in their hand.
Oh, okay.
And I'm getting kind of tired.
Yeah.
Pretty tired from today, so my brain's not working right. I'll probably get off a little early.
Yeah.
And it's because I don't know, I just can't think straight right now.
It's probably for the best.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off. I just can't fucking think.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm with you, man. For some reason, I'm tired as well.
Yeah, it's just like, I don't know. It's just been a long day. And I worked and I'm exhausted. I only got a fair amount of hours of sleep last night.
Yeah.
I'm just not thinking straight. So I think right now might be best if we just kind of chill out and get some rest. I know I'm gonna get the fuck to sleep.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll.
I think my plan is not to do what I was gonna do earlier on, because I think I'm just gonna overcomplicate things as usual. When it doesn't need to be.
Right.
I think Lucky Roll is supposed to be pretty simple. You know, we're just checking for interactions between certain things and then restricting them.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be any further than that. And maybe further on, if it gets really complicated, I'll do that. But right now, I don't think we need anything like that. And we have plenty of other things that work the same way. So.
All right.
All right.
Well then, let us sign off here then.
Well, it was good to kind of figure out what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
So it was a good experience.
All right.
I wouldn't say it was wasted.
All right. Well then, until next time, people who may or may not be watching.